Ain't had no role model, I'm the girl's role model. Stepping over haters, bitch, I'm in Balenciaga. I'm a robber, any robbers for them blue dollars. Huncho, ride foes, I'm a crypto. Southside with my brothers like a...
Hey guys, today's video is sponsored by Sogoodhair. I will be reviewing this wig for you all. I will be installing it, and I must say they sent me so many goodies. First they sent the wig, but check out all these goodies. Cute lashes. They sent a whole bag of just goodies. Like, let's see what's inside. Let's open it up and see what's inside. They sent me bobby pins, which I love. I need those. They sent me a bonnet that says Sogoodhair. Yes, Sogoodhair, thank you for this bonnet. They also sent me 2 wig caps with a silk head wrap to tie those edges down, baby. And they sent me a pair of tweezers, an elastic band, and lastly the wig. They sent this beautiful bob. It did not shed. The hair was amazing, so super soft. This is my second time collabing with Sogoodhair, and it was amazing. This was an HD lace, very thin lace. It melted perfect. It came with an elastic band, 13x4 parting space, and it also came already bleached and plucked. All I had to do was hot comb it, y'all, and it truly came pre-plucked. I didn't have to pluck much at all, and it came with bleached knots. It's very beginner friendly. You guys should really purchase this wig. Start with my wig cap. This is called the ball cap method. I ripped the tiny hole, but it is okay because there's one in the back, baby. But you just want to stretch that wig out like I was doing, because if you have a big head, it's not gonna fit. So I just stretched it out a bit, and I put it over my whole head, and I cut 2 holes on the sides of my ear. This allows my cap to lay flat and it won't lift up. Like, if I wouldn't have cut my ear holes out, it wouldn't lay flat and it would be lifting up. Then I take some Got to Be glue, freeze spray, and I put it across my hairline. With this, you do not just want to spray all willy-nilly, because people be spraying all willy-nilly, and that's how they wigs be ending up touching their eyebrows. You have to match your hairline. Wherever your hairline is, that's where you want to put it at. Don't put it too far up, don't put it too far behind. Here I got my thread and needle. This is very optional. I like to secure my cap, so I sew it down, and it wasn't working on that side, so I just switched to the other side and I sew it down. Just sew it straight across. This is a sloppy sew because it's coming right out when this wig comes out. You don't need your cap to be on tight. Honestly, it's wasteful to make it tight. Make it loose so it comes right out. You won't have no problems. You won't have to tug on your hair, none of that. I just sew it straight across. Call it a day. Y'all see that sloppy sew? Sloppy sew. And I just go from ear to ear with this. Now here I let my cap dry for about 15-20 minutes. I let it dry, and to know it's dry, you will touch it and it won't be wet. And I just cut my ear tabs off, and I cut straight across following the line that I made, the guideline with the freeze spray. Some people like to secure their cap down with like a glue adhesive, but I feel like that's just a bit much. Like, sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. Like, on my clients, if they really want their wig to last a long time, I will. It really honestly depends on their hairline, because if you have a low hairline, excuse me, I wouldn't recommend doing the adhesive to secure your wig, because you are risking pulling your edges out. But yeah, as you guys saw, I just made the cap my color. I used a Kiss cream foundation, and I sprayed some Got to Be spray over that because I don't want the oil and glue, not oil, wow, I'm messing up all my words. I don't want the glue and makeup to mix, so I just sprayed that on there to add a little layer of protection to help my glue stick to my head. And this first layer I'm putting across is just so my cap can be really melted onto my skin. And then I go in with 3 more layers, and I let them dry clear in between. You want them to dry clear, or else it won't stick that well. Well, I've noticed that for me, but yeah. And here I'm just pulling my wig down to melt my lace into my glue. I did make a mistake here, y'all. I love recording and then going back and editing and see what I made a mistake on, because I honestly made a lot of mistakes in this video. But it's okay, this is a beginner friendly video. I made the mistake of not pulling my lace above the glue. I set it right on top of the glue. You want to pull it above the glue because it creates a less messier install. But with this being HD lace from this wig from Sogoodhair, it blended right in, honey. You didn't see no lace, it blended right in. But yeah, take this elastic band. I bought this off of Amazon, super cheap. Just type in elastic band, and I let it sit for about 20 minutes just for the glue to melt into my lace. And when I take it off, it really melts, baby. Seriously, you all will see right here, it's melted. After I take it off, I struggle taking it off a bit, but y'all will see the melt, baby. Look, melt, scalp, and some more melt. And I didn't even pluck this wig and it's melted. Like, come on now. Thank you Sogoodhair for this amazing HD lace. Now I'm just I cannot talk today. I'm taking out my baby hairs. I usually do 3 on each side, but I just took out 2 because that third one gets a little tricky when all the hair is so close together. That's a tip I learned. But yeah, I do 3 hairs on each side. I want to try doing 2 hairs on each side and see how that comes out soon. But for this one, I did my usual 3 hairs on each side, pull them out, and you see they are thick. You don't want thick baby hairs, so I simply thinned them out with some tweezers, and I flat ironed the hair with my hot comb so it'll lay flat. It really helps. It really helps. But yeah, you will see me a bit later thinning out these hairs with my tweezers. Y'all will see the difference. It's pretty thick now. They're gonna get thin once I thin them out with my tweezers. Here I'm cutting my baby hair short. You can use a razor or scissors. A razor is better, but my razor was pretty dull, so I just used these scissors. Try to get a jagged cut. You want to cut short to long. And I use my Sogoodhair baby hair goo. I love this goo that I got from Sogoodhair, y'all. I watch her all the time. I love her channel. And y'all, she followed me. I think my hair page. I forgot, but yeah, I do hair. She followed that page. I'm like, ooh. Okay, no, she followed my main page from her hair page. Yeah, that's what she did. Because I bought this goo from her, and she sent a whole sleigh kit. I'm like, what? She sent me a sleigh kit? Okay, period. And the sleigh kit is bomb, y'all. Y'all go shop with her. Like, it was really bomb. I love Sogoodhair. I watch her, Erica J, and Slay by Jordan. They videos really help you learn how to do your own hair. Like, yes. And in this video, I did mess up on my baby hairs pretty badly, but we still finessed it. We finessed it. It's cool. It's okay. Because at least they're not thick, and at least they're not touching my eyebrows. They look very natural. Like, you will see at the end. They look pretty natural. yeah guys, this is the outcome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This is a bob, but I'm not gonna cut into a bob. I'm gonna just leave it like this because it gives me real hair vibes. I like it. But yes, thank you for watching. Bye.